How's everyone doing today? The crypto space can be very volatile, and it's necessary to take the right security measures and precautions to protect yourself and protect your money. So today I have a couple of security tips you can take when investing, trading, and buying cryptocurrency. So the crypto exchange we're going to be talking about today is Coinbase. And the first security measure we're going to talk about is whitelisting a crypto address. Now, this is very helpful for sending crypto to the right address. You know, sometimes if you want to do different things in DeFi and you want to send crypto off of your Coinbase exchange to a MetaMask wallet or any type of decentralized wallet, you want to use this whitelist address feature. So let me demonstrate to y'all how you would correctly whitelist a crypto address. So for this tutorial, you're going to need, of course, a Coinbase account. So now what you're going to do is you're going to use your Coinbase account to open up a Coinbase Pro account. Basically, if you have a Coinbase account, you should be able to access Coinbase Pro. So you're going to go over here to the corner, you click the drop down, you're going to click address book. Once you click that, you can now whitelist an address here. So over here, you're going to click, you're going to highlight whitelist. It's going to show you that once you add an address to this whitelist feature, it will take 48 hours for you to be able to withdraw to this specific crypto wallet address. So you would click enable. That's just what this notification says here. Of course, you can pause to read it. You would click enable. Now I'm going to have to enter my two-factor verification, which is very important. Now I've entered my two-factor verification. It shows me you now have 8 hours to add an address instantly. Perfect. That's fine. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add a new address here. So we're going to click this here, add new address. So you can now pick the type of address you want to add. I want to add a Ethereum wallet address because I'm a Ethereum maxi almost. So let's do that. So once you've correctly entered in your address, you're going to want to nickname it something that you're going to remember for that wallet. So let's name test here. Testing or tester. Testing. There you go. Then you would click save address. You're going to have to enter in the two-step factor verification again. That's just how Coinbase is. But that's fine. We like security. And just like that, you've added that wallet to the exchange. Now, this is a really simple feature, but it's something that can take a lot of the anxiety out of withdrawing from a particular exchange. So another security measure that's pretty simple is just bookmarking the link of the exchange or exchanges that you use. So for example, here we have Coinbase. Just go in and bookmark coinbase.com, okay? Bookmark it on your web browser so that if anybody tries to send you a fishy email or a scam email that takes you to a different link other than the Coinbase homepage or the exchange that you're using, you'll be able to know because it's not bookmarked, okay? Anytime that you search Coinbase in your web browser, it will pull up your bookmark link. This can be very, very helpful. So the last steps I want to talk about, and probably the two most important ones, is to use a strong password that somebody can't easily guess and use two-step factor verification. People don't really realize how strong two-factor verification is because somebody will need your access to your email and access to that account that they're trying to hack in order to be able to hack it, which is very unlikely. They'll probably have access to one and not the other. That's everything I have for y'all today. If y'all like the content, if you learned something from this video today, make sure to like and subscribe, comment if you have any questions or anything to say, and that's it. Peace out, y'all.